How to install DeepSeek AI in your laptop. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your preferred browser and then search for DeepSeek download. Now, simply go to the official website of DeepSeek. Go to get the DeepSeek app. Now simply scan this QR code from your phone in order to download from your DeepSeek application. If you want the desktop version, simply search for DeepSeek desktop download. And as this is a open source, you can easily get it from your GitHub or also from the official website of DeepSeek. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.